In this video, I am going to be trying to make money online via money-making apps, and I'm not going to be doing it for an hour or heck, even 5 hours. I am literally going to be sitting down for 8 hours straight doing nothing but trying to make money online via online apps. I did a video very similar to this a couple months back, and well, it didn't go very well. I spent 8 hours straight doing online surveys, and if you calculate how much I made per hour, I made well below minimum wage. But guys, I feel like this challenge could be much more successful as long as I pick the right money-making apps. I have seen so many videos on YouTube talking about how you can make $100, $200, or even $500 per day with some of these online money-making apps. So if your boy Will picks the right money-making apps for this challenge, I will be securing some serious paper. Now guys, before we clock in for an 8-hour shift of trying to make money through online apps, I want to set a goal of how much money we want to make with this challenge. And for me personally, I want to set a goal of trying to make more than you'd make at your typical 9 to 5 minimum wage job. At least in my state of Wisconsin, the minimum wage is $7.25 per hour. So if you worked 8 hours in a single day, you make approximately $58. But that is not the profit you get to actually keep. You still need to pay your fair share to the IRS to avoid committing tax fraud, so that would bring your total down to a respectable $50. So in order to call this video challenge a success, we have to make more than $50 from online money-making apps. Alright, so in case you guys are curious, the way that I'm going to be finding money-making apps to use in this video is through YouTube.com. If you just look up Make Money on your phone through the search engine, a ton of videos are going to pop up on ways you can make money from your phone, and they give you a ton of ideas on apps you can install. The first app I'm going to try and secure a profit on is one that you guys have probably heard of before by the name of eBay. I have been using eBay for 2 years now, and since then I've probably earned about $10,000 in revenue on the platform. Pretty much on eBay, what you do is you list an item for sale, and if someone buys that item, you ship it out to them and secure a profit after accounting for any eBay fees, PayPal fees, and shipping costs. I actually have a ton of items to list on eBay still from a video I did in the past where I spent $100 on 2 Amazon mystery boxes in hopes of making a profit. There are probably a good 30 or 40 items in these 2 boxes, so guys, we have a lot of work ahead of us, so let's get going. It has been a fat 2 hours since I started listing items on eBay, and now finally all of the items are listed and ready to be sold online. I will keep you guys updated on any sales that take place throughout the next 6 hours of this challenge. If we can get anywhere between $20 and $30 in revenue coming in today, I would call that a serious win. Now, the second money-making app we are going to try out is one by the name of Google Opinion Rewards. Now, this one was literally created by Google, and it seems to be another one of those apps that pays you to take surveys. I haven't had the best of luck with those types of apps, but this one was created by the big boys up at Google Enterprises, so it might work. Alright guys, so I literally spent 15 seconds doing one survey on Google Opinion Rewards. I earned a respectable 10 cents for doing so, but then as I went to do another survey, Google hit me with the no surveys available at this time. It's pretty annoying, but I think we just need to move on to another money-making app. The next app we are going to be using is one by the name of Survey Junkie. I used this app back in the day, and I think I made around $5 paid out through PayPal. I don't remember how long it took me to make that $5, but I do remember Survey Junkie being one of the better survey apps I tried out. So let's get grinding. Wow guys, it has been quite a few hours since I last checked in, and we have finally reached the $5 payout threshold on Survey Junkie. This has been such a mind-numbing and discouraging process. It's literally taken forever just to get $5 from doing online surveys. I think the only thing that's going to bring us above the $50 threshold for this challenge at this point is if we end up getting a couple sales on eBay. So hopefully that happens in the next 3 hours of this challenge. But anyways, the next app I'm going to go ahead and use for this challenge is one by the name of Sap Surveys. This app has been advertised heavily on the iOS App Store, and it also has like a 4-star review, so I'm guessing it's pretty good. So guys, for the next 1 to 2 hours of this challenge, I'm going to be sitting my butt in this chair and doing as many surveys as possible on Zap. We still have approximately 1 hour and 50 minutes left in this challenge, but I wanted to give you guys 2 updates on how this challenge is going so far. Number 1, Sap Surveys is probably the best survey site I have found so far, as I have already earned a fat $6.47 from it. And number 2, guys, I did end up getting a sale on eBay, finally, which is just super exciting. I listed this car mount on eBay this morning for $15.99, and it ended up selling, so after PayPal fees, eBay fees, and shipping costs, I'm going to end up profiting $11.25 on this sale. With that in mind, guys, let's keep grinding to hit the $50 goal for this challenge. We still have approximately 43 minutes left in this challenge, and I decided to take a little walk, not because I want to, but because there's actually an app that pays you to take steps known as Sweatcoin. This app pretty much pays you in this weird currency to take steps, and if you get enough of that currency, you can convert it into cold hard cash. By the time I get done with this leisurely walk, the 8-hour challenge will probably be over, so I will see you guys in the office soon. Good morning, everybody. It is now the next day. I was supposed to finish this video yesterday, but I instead ended up editing it and staying up until like 11 p.m. at night. But you guys would already know that if you're part of the Instagram squad, so be sure to follow me on Instagram if you have not already. Anyways, what I want to go over now is how much money we actually made from this 8-hour challenge. And guys, let me tell you, I'm pretty excited to find out. The first money-making app we ended up using is one known as eBay. We ended up making one sale on eBay, and that profited us a fat $11.25. After using eBay, we switched to a different app known as Google Opinion Rewards, and that one made us only 10 cents since the surveys dried up pretty quick. After the surveys dried up on Google Opinion Rewards, I ended up switching to this website known as Junkie, and we literally spent hours on that website doing surveys just to make $5 in profit. Then the last 2 money-making apps we used are called both Sap Surveys and Sweatcoin. Sap Surveys made us a grand total of $6.47 after running out of good surveys to do, and Sweatcoin made us a grand total of 5 Sweatcoin, which equates to about 25 cents. So in total, we made $23.07 or $2.88 per hour from this experiment. We didn't quite hit our goal of making more than minimum wage today, but I'm sure if I would have found some better money-making apps that didn't require me to sit down doing surveys for hours on end, we would have had some better luck with this challenge. With that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to drop a like if you made it to the end, and peace out.